Like millions of people in other countries, British people love holidays. Many employees have holidays in July and August. It isn't surprising because from autumn to summer the weather doesn't treat the country's residents with warmth and sunshine. Most summer holidays of British people are short, just 2 weeks. They usually take a second short holiday in winter or spring. In winter they can go to Austria or France and go skiing. Popular springtime holiday destinations include Austria, France and Spain. Spring holidays are usually devoted to sightseeing in the capital cities. The British people also like to visit Greece and the USA. Most holidays abroad are provided by travel agencies, and the trip includes a flight, hotel or apartment stay. Flights to warm countries are usually not very expensive, so many Britons can afford to spend their holidays in warm climates and relax in the sun abroad. An overseas holiday is exciting, but Brits also travel to their own country. Great holiday destinations include England, Northern Ireland, Scotland or Wales. Of course, nobody promises sunny and warm weather, but it is a distinctive feature of the country. Many UK residents leave the metropolis for the seaside in the southeast of England. The most popular seaside resorts are Brighton, Blackpool, Seaford, Worthing, and many others. Some Britons prefer to spend their holidays in the mountains of Wales or Scotland. Some tourists look for places close to rivers and lakes. The UK boasts numerous national parks covering 10% of the country's land area. They are located in many different parts of the country. The most beautiful national parks of Scotland are Trossachs, Cairngorms, Loch Lomond. Wales and England can also boast wonderful national parks such as Snowdonia or Lake District. Most British people choose to travel around the country in their own car. Some people prefer long-distance buses or rail transport. When on holiday, many Brits prefer to stay in comfortable, small, historic hotels. Pensions by the sea are quite popular. The younger Britons like staying at the recreation base. Some of them stay at their relatives or good friends. Some rent rooms with full board from local farmers. Moreover, various types of campers for traveling are becoming more and more popular. Many British tourists have such kind of movable property, and the number of them is increasing all the time.